Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Motospeed CK104. This is a mechanical and RGB backlit keyboard. I picked this up on sale for $25. The regular price is around $40, but they tend to go on sale fairly frequently. Here's the box it comes in. In the box you just get a manual. The manual's written in a language that somewhat resembles English. Quick win. Avoid fighting game by accident and cut out the desktop. Solid advice. Now as for the construction, the keyboard is fairly heavy and very rigid, as you can see. On the front here we have a brushed aluminum plate. The rest of the construction is ABS plastic. Here on the back we have these little feet that pop up to tilt the keyboard. The USB cable is not detachable. The keycaps are double shot PVT. They're all uniform in color and texture. These switches are Outemu Blue switches. They're a tactile clicky switch with a 50 or 60 gram actuation force. If you bottom out the switches, they are fairly loud, but typing normally, they're not bad. To turn the lights on, you hold down function and press the print screen key. That turns on the lighting, and there are several different lighting modes as well as 5 user customizable modes. Within any mode you can switch through the colors by pressing function and the delete key. So we can cycle through the colors there. And then the brightness can be adjusted by holding function and then clicking the up and down arrow keys. To move on to the next mode, press and hold function and press the insert key. So this mode is like a pulsing mode, and you can change the speed at which it pulses by again holding function and then pressing the left and right arrow keys. So you can see that speeds it up a little bit, and then you can slow it down. Move on to the next mode, that's a user customizable mode, which I'll get back to in a little bit. Next we have a mode that cycles through the colors, and again you can increase the speed at which it cycles. This mode lights up the keys as you press them. So if you're typing here, this next mode is like some sort of wave thing. You can change the color of that. We can change the speed of the waves. Moving on, we have this. And again, you can change the color. So it just kind of goes back and forth like that. You can change the color as you wish. Next mode is an explosion of color every time you press a key. And again, you can change these colors to have it explode a solid color. This mode just lights up every key around the one that you pressed. And again, all the colors you can change. And then we have this rainbow wave thing where you can freeze it or increase the speed. And then you can reverse the direction. So that's pretty cool. You can access the user customizable modes quickly using the function key plus numbers 1 through 5. And then to customize these modes, you hold down the function key and press the home button. You'll notice the lights start flashing in the top right. And then you simply can click on a key and cycle through to get the color you want. And basically design whatever pattern you like. Once you're done with that, again, you hold the function key, press the home button, and that is now saved. So if you cycle through, there it is. What else do we have here? The caps lock button, you can see that is indicated there. There's a window lock as well. So caps lock, windows lock, and then an interesting function here. If you hold down the function key and press W, that will basically swap the WASD keys with the directional arrows here. So if you were to press WASD, those are now directional, and these keys here are now WASD. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but it's there for you. Put that back. So overall, a solid keyboard for the money. If I had to complain about something, it would be the fact that the USB cable is not detachable, and the lettering on the keys is interesting. I mean, look at the A, for example. Otherwise, a solid keyboard. If you can get one of these for, $30, $40, I'd highly recommend it. That's it for this video. If you guys found it helpful, please leave a like below, and I will see you guys in the next one.